Okay, we are going to do some standing work with our arms. So this is quite a bit more exciting than sitting or kneeling. When you set this up, you want your arm springs to be about as high as your shoulders. All right, when you start to move them up and down, it changes the line of action. So for this one, we're going to just set it right about as high as our shoulders. Feet are going to be hips distance or a little wider if necessary. And you're going to bring the front spring right up in front of your sternum. Nice and tall inhale, and then we're going to twist it out. Twist, and feel that opposite hip push forward as you do that. Left hip forward. Aha, and again, left hip forward as we twist. 2, gorgeous. Can you feel the difference? Very good. And again, 3, we are doing 10 today just to make sure that Malia's got her obliques working. And again, 4, inhale, and exhale. So that sash effect, the right rib to the left hip is connecting here. And 5, and in the back, you've got the left muscles on the top of the back, and then in the right muscles in the lower back working to help with this. Good. 7. 3 more. And 8. 2 more. 9. 1 more set. 10. Good. That was a fabulous twist. Shall we do the other side? Yes, we shall. All right, so now it's our left rib connecting into our right hip. Nice and tall, big inhale, and now exhale, twist. Gorgeous, perfect. And we return. And again, 2, and the whole time we're gonna funnel that energy out through the crown of our head still. And again, 3, and then you can press down through your heels, and then the ball of the big toe and the ball of the little toe. 4, and then I'll give you a nice grounding feeling going down into the floor. 5, halfway, and 6, and 7. 3 more of these fabulous twists. 8. 2 more. 9. Last time, please. 10. So beautiful. Okay, we are going to hug our tree. Now, Malia's going to set up having both straps in her hands, and what you're going to do is you're going to make a little diagonal from heels to tush to ribs to head. Deep breath, and then you're going to wrap around like you're wrapping your arms around a big redwood and feel that work. How's that feeling? Yes, and you have to adjust to see where you are, and every day is different. And then open out. Is that better? Good. And I'm going to come check her alignment to make sure she's perfect. Go again. 2. Oh my, and she's perfect. I have nothing to say other than keep going, darling. 3, we're just doing 5. And 4, so this is a great way to train your push-up muscles without doing a push-up. 5, good. Now we're gonna do butterfly. So arms go side just as they are, and you're gonna side bend one way, and just keep reaching out through those arms, and then come back up. And again, other side. So you're leaning slightly forward to have that tension and reaching out into the straps. Good. And 2. And then we come up. And 2. And up. And 3. And up. Good, and I'm going to give you a poke. Push this over more. 3, oh yeah. And up. And 4. So again, the arms are just staying outside, and then you're going from the ribs. 4, beautiful. Last one like this. 5. And 5. Very good. Now we're going to add an arm. We'll just do 3 sets of these. So you're going to do a side bend, and the top arm is going to go overhead, and the bottom arm is going to go down, and it's like long jazz fourth if you've ever done that, and come back. Or one arm up, the other arm down. And other side. Oh, yes. 2. I'm sorry, 1. And then back. And again. Other side. And up. And other side. Second round. Ooh, that's a good one. I'm sure that feels a bit weird. And again, last one. This is your third round. And up. Third round. Nice. Good. Okay, rest a moment. Punches, punches. Are you ready? Let's just do 3 sets on each side. How does that sound? Okay, so you're going to lunge one leg forward. And you're going to have, let's start with your right arm down and up, and then punch with the left arm out. And now you're going to pass in the night and change. Go for it. Exhale. 1. Exhale. 1. And ribs. 2. And 2. One more set. 3. And 3. Good. Come back. Change legs. So now you'll bring the other leg forward. Left palm up. You're going to reach that right arm out forward and long. Ribs connect. And here we go. 1. And 1. And 2. And 2. And 3. And 3. Very good. Come out of that. So all of these you can do anywhere between 3 all the way up to 10 repetitions. We're just doing a few today since we're doing lots of exercises. We're going to do a few triceps lunge with our roll down bar. So you're going to take your roll down bar, hook it up to the very, very tip top, and then again face standing off the back. One leg will be forward bent and the other leg will be back, and you can come back as far as you need to. So depending on how tall your person is, the other way to do it is have your sliding bar and adjust it up and down with your sliding bar. But Malia's strong, so we'll just hook it up to the very tip top. And she's only, what, 5 foot, maybe 5'1"? Here we go. Inhale, exhale, press it out, connect the ribs and straighten, and then we bend. Gorgeous. And again, 2, and we'll just do 3 on each side. And press it out and straighten. 3, and then bend. And then you can change legs. So you come up, one leg forward, the other leg back, pull the pelvis up underneath you. Wrap those shoulders deep. Inhale, exhale, press out. Straighten those arms. 3, and we bend. 2, because it's so easy and we haven't done enough triceps today. 1, very nice, rest. Woohoo, we've made it through our standing arm series. Good job.